जूनाच्या दुसऱ्या तिसऱ्या सप्तकात पंचायत वेंचणुको जाव येतात. देखून राज्य वेंचणूक आयोगान पंचायतीच्या वेंचणुकाक लागून 186 पंचायती वॉर्डाचे डिलिमिटेशन अधिसूचित केला. एसईसीन डिलिमिटेशनाची अधिसूचना काढल्या असली तरी एसईसीन आता जाग्याच्या आरक्षणाची प्रक्रिया सुरू केल्या.
जागे वाडोवपाच्या प्रस्तावांच्या मुद्द्याचेर लोकांच्यो सुचोवण्यो आयकून वॉर्डाचे अंतिम डिलिमिटेशन केला. गोवा पंचायत राज कायदो 1994तल्यो तरतुदी आनी भारताच्या सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान वेळावेळार चालीक लायिल्ले नेम आनी सुचोवण्यांचो विचार करून अनुसूचित जाती, अनुसूचित जमाती आनी हेर मागासवर्गीयां खातीर ग्रामपंचायतींतल्या जाग्यांचे आरक्षण निश्चित करपाची प्रक्रिया एसईसीन आतां सुरू केल्या. ह्या संदर्भांतल्यो अधिसुचोवण्यो स्वतंत्रपणान जाहीर करतले अशें एसईसीन सांगलां. पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन हे विशीं सविस्तर माहिती दिली.
Process is over, but it has to be notified. After the delimitation is over, as I said several times, the next thing is the reservation of the wards, which we have already started. And who has to do it is the State Election Commission. They have started the work. I think they have applied the right criteria, and in consultation with us, we will be giving it finality. That's all.
So by when?
As you know, elections were due by 4th June, but now that looks a little bit difficult. Maybe we'll have to advance the elections by a week or 10 days. So that we'll be doing according to the need.
Sir, there were some queries about the reservation of the on that part.
See, one thing you must realize, whatever best reservation you do, whatever best delimitation you do, can you satisfy 100% of the people? Can you do 100% of the things what people ask? It just does not happen. But I must compliment from what I saw on the files, the Election Commission. They have done a pretty good job, because don't forget, ultimately who is doing the job? Those are our electoral officers. Who are they? Mamladars, joint Mamladars, AKs, all those our own officials are doing it. Even during the election time, okay, Election Commission is in charge. Ultimately, who runs the show? With a few officials from the center, it is your local officers who run the show. So same way this process also is almost the same.
Transparent.
Yes, it is very transparent.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान अमर चवरिया.